Hello guys, the same pleasure to teach you English. Don't forget my name is Teacher Claudie, one of the teachers at GUES, Grace and Unity English School. I hope that you have already watched the previous videos, okay, the letter A, B, C, D, and so on. So today we are going to see a new letter, it is the letter E. Okay, don't forget to subscribe to the channel and then like the videos and click on the bell in order to receive all our videos. Now, let's get started. We have our empty. Don't forget empty stands for moral thought. We have our empty today is an investment in knowledge pays the best interest. Okay? An investment in knowledge pays the best interest. What do I mean? An investment. We have investment. Investment, we have knowledge, and then we have interest. An investment and knowledge pays the best interest. The first thing is investment. To invest. When you invest your money, you spend your money. But when you invest, you expect something in return. Okay, when you invest, there's a difference between spend and invest. When I invest my money, I hope to get something back. But when I spend my money, I can spend my money buying things that I don't really need. But when I invest my money, I hope to find something back. Okay, so when you invest in knowledge, okay, when you invest in yourself, okay, you invest in getting to know new things, okay, you will be paid best interest. Now, knowledge is the fact of knowing something about a specific subject, okay, it's when you know something about a specific subject, okay. And then we have interest. Interest is something that you receive back, okay, something that you receive back. And interest, it cannot be only money, okay? So when we're talking about invest, we see percentage. Okay, it can be 6%, 10%, or 20%, okay? Okay, these are whole interest, okay? When you go to a bank and you have a loan, okay, you have a loan, so you will have to give some interest, okay? It's the same when you invest your money. The advantage that you are going to receive are called interest. Knowledge, when you invest in knowledge, you will be paid the best interest. Interest can be money, but when we're talking about knowledge, we can say advantage. Okay, when you have advantage, it's a interest. Okay. Now, we are going to see the letter E. The letter E. The letter E is the fifth letter of the English alphabet. The first thing is E is a vowel. Okay? A vowel. A vowel can have many sounds, like the letter E. The letter E. But today we are going to focus on only two sounds. The E has a long sound and it has a short sound. Okay, for example, when I say E, okay, when I say E, it is the long sound. E. But when I say now it is the short sound. Okay, don't forget. The letter E has many sounds, but we're going to focus on two of them. E and A. Okay, the difference is in the way that you pronounce it, right? When I say E, it is the long sound, and when I say A, it is the short sound. We are going to see more in the sentences. The first word is elephant. It is the short sound of the letter E. Elephant. Elephant. My little sister saw an elephant in the movie. My little sister saw an elephant in the movie. Okay? So my little sister saw a movie and then she saw an elephant. Let me show you. Okay? Elephant. You see? Elephant. You see? It's an animal. Okay? My sister saw an elephant in the movie. It's okay for you. Okay? It's an elephant. The second one is employee. 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 Again, the short sound. The short sound of the letter E. Employee. You do not hear the sound E, but E. Okay, it is the short sound. Elephant, and then we have employee. 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 I am an employee at GUES. When I say GUES, I say Grace and Unity English School. I am a teacher at GUES. It means that I am an employee at Grace and Unity English School. Employee. Employee. Don't forget. Elephant and employee. The third one is equal. Now it is the long sound of the letter E. Okay? The long sound. Equal. 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 It is the long sound. Now we have 2 times 5 equal 10. 2 times 5 equal 10. Now when I say equal, let me show. First, I have forgotten. Okay, it's employee. Okay, it's employee. I'm sorry. Okay, employee. Okay, employee. You see people. Okay, they are individuals. Okay, who provide labor to a specific company. Okay, as I said earlier. Okay, as I said earlier, I am an employee at GUES. And then the third one, the last is equal. You see, it's a sign, mathematical sign. You see? It's okay, the sign. Now let's get back. Equal. 2 times 5 equal 10. Now we're going to learn more in the language notes. Sister. My sister is the daughter of my father or my mother. Okay? If my mother has a daughter, she is my sister. The same if my father has a daughter, she is my sister. Okay, don't forget, my sister is the daughter of my father or my mother. Okay, my sister. Movie. Okay, when you're watching TV, you can see movies. Okay, you can see movies. Let's say, for example, if you are watching a series. Okay, a series, it's a movie, right? Employee. As I said earlier, employee are individuals who provide labor to a specific company. You know, labor, work. Okay, it's the same. Individuals who provide labor to a specific company, or it can be a person. Forget, GUES is a company. Okay, I'm an employee at GUES. Okay, I've already talked about investment. It's when you spend your money in order to receive benefit. Okay, to receive something back. Okay, you invest your money because you want to have benefit in return. And now we have equal. Equal is when something is identical, similar. Okay, identical or similar. When I say 2 times 5 equal 10, they are identical. Or I could say 10 equal 2 times 5. The same thing. Okay, they are identical, they are similar. I hope that you have enjoyed this video. My piece of advice is practice the sounds. Okay, don't forget I have talked about the long sound and then the short sound. The short sound is a, elephant, and the long sound is e, like an equal. The pleasure was mine to teach you. Don't forget that you are attending a course at GUES, Grace and Unity English School. See you in the next videos.